Hey guys, what's going on? So in this lesson I'm going to show you why the follow unfollow method is so powerful and why we should be using it to get to 10k followers on Instagram. So I'm just going to show you quickly why it's so powerful. So here we are in one of the accounts that I've just been growing on the side. It's at 11k, and what we're going to do is we're just going to search for our test account that we've been using for this course. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to like this picture. I'm going to comment on this picture like so. Oh, come back on. And we're also going to follow this account. Now we're going to head back over to our test account. And as you can see, the heart, we have a little notification there. We have 3 notifications. Now this is why it's so powerful. The follow unfollow method is so powerful. Because when people receive this notification, they come into their notifications and they think, who's followed me? Who's liked my picture? And who has commented on my picture? And more than likely what they're going to do, and I'd say 8 out of 10 times, because curiosity gets the better of most people, let's be fair. So what they're going to do is just going to come over to your account and see what you're about. Now if your account's good and it's been set up like I've taught you to set it up like, more than likely they're going to follow you back. So this is why the follow unfollow method is so powerful, and this is why it's going to be the fastest way for us to get to 10k followers on Instagram. Now like I've said, I've given you 3 methods of getting to using the follow unfollow method. We can do the free approach where we're literally just going to target people in our niche and follow their followers and follow people who are liking their images. So if we go to Ty Lopez, what we do is we go on to something that's not a video, his picture, and we just start following people based on his people who have liked his pictures. We go into their profile and we start engaging with their profiles like so. And this is going to send a notification to their account, and they're probably going to come back to our account, check out our account, and decide whether they're going to follow us or not. Like I said, if we have a good account and it's set up correctly, they're probably going to follow us back. And the second method is using an app like Captivate. Now like I said, with both of these, the free method and the Captivate method, it can be a little risky if we overuse it, especially with the Captivate app, as it's literally just going to blitz a load of accounts based on the information you put into it. But with the third method and the Morphic software that I've told you about, that's probably going to be the best way, as again we can just do this completely automated. All we have to do is input the information one time and we just set it and leave it, and it's just going to follow counts, and we'll be getting followers while we sleep. Hundreds of followers every single day, like I've told you. And like I've said guys, I've managed to get you guys a 7-day free trial, so you can test out this software at a slow pace to see whether you like it or not. And at a slow pace, it's probably going to get you anywhere between 10 to even 40 followers every single day on your Instagram account, and that's at a slow pace. Like I said, once you unlock the full version of Morphix, it's going to go at a much faster rate, and you'll be gaining hundreds of followers every single day. So I recommend the follow unfollow method, and this is how we do it. And this is why it's so powerful.